friends, this is Zoe Floyd, your local real estate expert, Conway expert, home matchmaker extraordinaire here in beautiful Orlando, Florida, and part-time number cruncher. Today we're diving into two essentials every Orlando homeowner needs to understand: property taxes and homeowners insurance in 2025. These numbers can sneak up on you faster than humidity in August. That's fast. So let's walk through what to expect and how to budget smart from the start. If you're thinking of buying, moving, or just curious how things shake up, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Let's start with property taxes. I know I don't want to, but we have to. How much you contribute to our schools, roads, and services each year. In Orange County, aka Orlando, the average is about 1% of your home's assessed value. So on a $400,000 home, you're looking at about $5,000 a year, or roughly $400 a month. But that varies based on things like millage rates for your particular city or district. Point to note, in places like Conway and Belle Isle that are very established, millage rates can be lower than in newer master planned areas. Every little bit helps, you know? Florida reassesses property values every year, or whenever you make a major upgrade to your home. That means if your home increases in value, your taxes go up. But there are protections, like the Save Our Homes cap, and exceptions for homesteaded owners, seniors, and veterans that can help. Zoe tip: never skip the homestead exception. It can save you hundreds annually. Keep the filing due date in mind. Now the insurance side. Florida isn't cheap to insure. Hurricanes, sinkholes, and hurricanes. Did I mention hurricanes? All play a part. In 2025, the average homeowners policy in Orlando is about $3,500 to $4,500 per year, especially for older homes or those closer to lakes or coasts. Zoe tip: in Conway and Belle Isle, newer roofs and updates can lower your premiums dramatically. Always ask for a multi-quote when comparing insurers. Insurance rates here have climbed due to rising payouts and fewer insurers writing policies here. Reports show home value increases nationwide, and Orlando was not immune, which pushed premiums higher than we ever thought. Property taxes, meanwhile, are inching up thanks to affordability studies and new assessments. Nothing shocking, but it's something. Zoe tip: when you're budgeting, plan for a taxes and insurance buffer, typically 1.5 to 2% of your home's value. And this is annually, people. Wrap that into your math right away and avoid surprises later. Here are the good news. Hot neighborhoods like Conway and Belle Isle often land on the better end of both cost spectrums. Lower millage rates, new construction, and big updates help keep your taxes and insurance costs relatively lower. Zoe tip: ask for recent bills when touring. That gives you real numbers and more clarity than just estimates. Although keep in mind, for things like utilities, it is based on occupancy. Looking ahead to 2026, experts predict property taxes could tick up slightly, but not dramatically. There's hope for an easing insurance market, but there's no guarantee. New buyers entering established neighborhoods may be surprised just how resilient and stable prices are in these neighborhoods. Zoe tip: whenever you're ready to buy or refinance, we'll review your exact taxes and insurance scenario to make sure you're always in control, as best as possible. So there you have it, property taxes and insurance in Orlando, Florida in 2025. Demystified. Comment here which cost surprised you the most, or what do you want me to break down next? If you're planning your next move in Orlando, let's chat. I've got your back on everything taxes, insurance, homes, with maybe a few jokes along the way, of course. Thanks for hanging out with me today. I'm Zoe, your local real estate expert, helping you buy and budget your way smart. Until next time, friends, stay insured, stay taxed, and stay sassy. Bye.